Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue where it says that the application was unable to start correctly. Error code 0xc0000017. Click OK to close the application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now I'm going to have two commands in the description of the video. You want to copy each one at a time. And then once you've copied the first one, go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in, hit enter. And then you want to do the same thing with the second command here. So once you have a blinking cursor, it means the first command has finished. And then you want to go run the second command here. Paste that one in, hit enter. And then once you're done with that, you want to close out of here, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.